Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and these are Sony's wireless noise cancelling earphones that were announced at CES. They of course aren't true wireless. They have the one around the neckband with the controls on the right side as well. They are water resistant, actually splash proof up to IPX4, and they also boast of Google Assistant. You also have a bunch of modes for noise cancelling. So if let's say you go to a Starbucks and order a coffee and you want to talk to the attendant out there, you really don't need to remove these from your ear. You can control the modes from your smartphone. They are expected to launch towards the spring of 2018, and Sony's also launched a true wireless, which is essentially a pair of earbuds which aren't connected with a wire. They come in a charging case. So these are the two earphones that Sony has announced at CES. They are available in a bunch of colors. And if you guys like this video, you can always like it, share it, and for more from the world of technology, you can log on to Digit.in.